Hey guys, and welcome to another video of my natural remedies. So today we are making a natural cough medicine. So this one I do normally after recovering from like a viral infection, like a chest infection or a sinus infection, because normally what happens with chest infections, sinus infections, is we end up getting bronchitis, and so this is a really nice, easy way to make a cough medicine that is completely natural, and it's all stuff that you have at home. So quickly go through the ingredients. We have licorice root. So this one is what I prepared earlier. So it's just a licorice tea, but you can use loose teas as well. You just use 1/3 of a cup of water, honey, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, fresh ginger, and a little bit of ground chili. And we have a spare jar because I love spare jars. Okay, so the first thing you do is you boil the water and you put the licorice root in there and you leave it steeping for a few minutes. Now while that's happening, grab your fresh ginger and just chop off a section. Now it's a home remedy, so there's no real measurements. It's just basically just whatever. So we're just going to take the skin off like this. And then get a grater. This is just a cheese grater. And you just grate fresh ginger onto it, into it, whatever. Probably about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on how much you want to make. It doesn't really matter. Plenty, so you just put that all in there. I'm just going to rinse my hands and move this out of the way so it's not as messy. We need 1 teaspoon of turmeric into the licorice root, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, into there, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Actually, I might make more than that. I'm going to just put about 1/2 cup or a bit less than 1/2 cup because we want this to last all of winter. And you mix it. And this is pretty gross, this part here, so we're just going to very quickly move it out of the way. And we mix this baby up. Now I probably should just put the ginger straight into here, but it's fine. It doesn't really matter whether you put it wherever you put it. It's honey infused. I might put a little bit more honey, just a tiny bit more. And that should be plenty. So what we're doing is we are mixing up all the ingredients. And then we're moving this. Alright, so we are going to go to a tiny little saucepan now.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Okay, so we've let this cool down a little bit, and we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili, or cayenne or cayenne pepper, whatever it's called, however you say it. I don't know how you say it, but I'm just using ground red chili. It's literally the tiniest amount because you don't want it to be too spicy, because then you'll need a gallon of water. So you just put it in there, just mix it up. And that is literally it. So we've already strained it, but we're going to strain it one more time just in case there's any of extra little bit. So I've got a tiny little one like this. My jar, which I've rinsed out, and in goes the liquid. So that way, I've got all these little extra bits that have just been saved. Mix it, and that is it. Then just obviously just let it cool down. And then what you do is you can have a little measuring cup where you just put in a measuring cup like a normal cough medicine, and and then you drink it. So basically this one you can use as many times because there's no drugs in it. It's just all natural. There's nothing that's going to create an allergic a reaction unless you're allergic to ginger or turmeric or any of that. Please remember that I'm not a doctor. This is a home remedy. So if you do have underlying health conditions, please check all the ingredients first before using this. If you don't, this is really safe to use and it's really easy and fun to make, and it's not too bad. It's not the greatest tasting thing, but when is medicine great tasting? So unless it's diamond tart. Diamond tart's really nice. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy and happy health. See you next time.